In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the issue where CapCut is not exporting your projects on your mobile phone. So whether you're getting some kind of error message or you're just not able to export your video in general, then keep watching as I'm going to show you a few ways we can fix this. Now the first thing you need to do is just head over to the App Store on your mobile device. In the top right hand side, click on your profile icon and then scroll down slightly and you'll see this option for Update Apps. Now if you do see CapCut inside of here, then just go ahead and install any latest updates. And once you've ensured you have the latest version of CapCut, we then need to head over to the application itself. Head over to the home screen and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Next to the notification icon in the top right, you'll see this small icon, so go ahead and click that. This is going to bring up the settings and we just need to scroll down to the bottom and select Clear Cache and then just confirm by pressing the confirm button. Once you've cleared the cache, you can then restart the application and check to see if that's now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, then you might not have sufficient space on your phone to store this video. So in order to check this, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down to General, scroll down again and select iPhone Storage. And right at the top here, you'll see how much space you have available. So you can see I've still got 57 gigabytes left on my iPhone, so I should be able to export projects without any issues. If you are running out of space here, then you'll need to go up and free some space on your device. Now to do this, I'd recommend starting off in the CapCut application, and down here you'll see all of our previous projects. Now every project that's saved to this device is going to take up valuable resources. So what I'd recommend doing is pressing this pencil icon over here. Click on the select button and then just selecting all of the projects that we're finished with and we're happy to delete. And once you've selected all of your projects like so, you can just select Move to Trash and then click on Move. You can also free up space by deleting unnecessary applications and photos and videos and that kind of thing. And finally, if that still hasn't fixed your export issue, the last thing I recommend doing is once again heading over to CapCut and you're just going to hold down on the app like so. Then click on Remove App and then press Delete App. Click on Delete to confirm. And once you've deleted the CapCut application, you can head back over to the App Store, click on Search and just search for CapCut. And then you're going to go ahead and re-download CapCut to your phone, and that should have now fixed any exporting issues that you were experiencing. That's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.